It's a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. From the striking looks to the proven powertrain technologies that are up to any task, this Silverado stands out from the rest. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and V8 engine. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We are conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.